So for today's math activity, you're going to look at this visual representation of some natural numbers. So this is I'm going to write here for a second so you can see it. This is the number 1. Make it a little thicker maybe. This is the number 1. This is a 2. Here's a 3, etc. Okay. So this is the way that somebody chose to represent these numbers. And what I want you to do is take a look at it and try to notice things about it. So what do you notice about this representation of numbers? One obvious thing to notice is that the number of circles matches the number, but there's more to it than that. So what are some things that you're noticing about how the circles are laid out? I'm going to ask you to write a couple of those things down, and then I'm going to ask you to take out a piece of paper and draw a picture of what 31 and 32 would look like using this representation, or what you think they would look like using this representation for numbers. All right. This is meant to be a creative activity. It's meant to allow you to explore mathematics visually. So that's the purpose of this activity.